Hey, what's up? Come hang out with me after my workout and see just kind of how my day goes before I get to work. First things first, you gotta wash all that off. Really had a great workout today, and I'm ready to wash off all the sweat and get fresh. If you know me, you know that I struggle with making my bed. Like, I don't know how people are just waking up first thing in the morning and just making their bed. I'm tired, and lately I have to wake up and ride a bicycle first thing in the morning to get to school. So, no, I'm not making my bed. Don't want to, not right away. But I'm really trying on making it a habit to make my bed at least throughout the day. It's happening. Now, let's not confuse making the bed and changing the sheets. I'm very adamant about changing my sheets like on a weekly basis, especially in this hot ass summer. So, very adamant about changing my sheets, not necessarily advocating to make my bed every single morning, but I'm definitely pushing myself to create a habit to make my bed every single morning. So, now it's time to do my favorite thing, and that's to eat. Your girl, sorry, I like to eat, and especially when I work out, I burn a lot, and so refueling is important. But I'm really, really learning and working on not caving into cravings because I will eat bad for fun because it tastes good. So, protein. I found these from someone on Instagram. I'll add them in my description. And I thought I'm going to try them out because she works out as well and she air fried them. So I thought I'd give it a shot. All right, I got them in there for 13 minutes. And I just want to take a moment to just say, I love my pants. I love my pants. They are comfortable, flowy, and just perfect with deep pockets. Quick shout out to my pants. I love you, pants. So while I waited, I also did some meditating. Because after I work out, I need to calm my mind. And working out is a way for me to purge, I guess, un I guess non-needed energies from perhaps the day before or things that I may have been holding on to. And meditating helps to clear my mind, especially when I have things to do that day. Um, I I have to clear my slate so that way I can organize and be calm about what all the things that I want to do, all the things that I need to do. This is the first step for me within my day to begin it. And now it's time to eat. I'm gonna make a quick salad, really basic, but it's all about the chicken and the protein. That's right. Nice and easy. And now it's time to get into this work, so I'll catch up with you later. Peace.